Hello, good morning. I am Dr. SHAHNAWAZ, working as Assistant Professor of JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University. Today we discuss about the concept of international economics. What is the international economics? International economics deal with the economics activity of various countries and their consequences. In the other word, international economics is a field of concern with economics interactions of the countries and effect of international issue on the world's economic activity. It study economic is political related to the international trade and finance etc. International trade involves the exchange of goods or services and other factors of productions such as labors and capitals across the international geographical boundaries. International finance study the flow of financial asset or investment across the borders. Globalization can be defined as integration of economic all over the world. It involves the exchange of technological, economical and political factors across the nations due to advancement of communications, transportation and infrastructure systems. With the globalizations, there is a rapid increase in the free flow of goods and services, capitals, labors and other factors of productions. The consequences of globalization can be negative positives. For example, the globalization had led to increase the employment opportunities and others opportunities of development of the country and growth of the countries and administration of international economics law and policies. It has also resulted to reduction in trade barriers such as tariff and quotas because underdeveloped in underdeveloped countries and developing countries can't be compete the position of developed countries. However, globalization has marked an increase in international competitions which results in increase in the market shares of organization. Therefore, the globalization are important for organization irrespective of international trade. International economics also refers to the study of international forces that influence the domestic conditions far as economics has shape of economic relations between the countries. It also study the international and countries effect of the economy. Thus, scope of international economics is wide as it is include the various concepts such as globalization, gain from trades, patterns of trade, balance of trades, and FDI. International economics also emerged one of the most essential concepts of the country over the years. In the field of international economics have developed drastically various theoretical, empirical, and descriptive contributions. Generally, the economics activity has been nation from the activity within the nations. For example, factor of production as less mobiles and within a country. It is also impact of the developing and underdeveloped countries. International economics divided in generally two parts: the regional and international trades. Regional trades means that boundary of the country is the impact of various government restriction of the production, trade and consumption, distribution of the income are covered the study of international economics. Thus, it is important to the study of international economics, a special field of economics.